Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp application. Now WhatsApp does not provide you such kind of facilities, so in order to see or recover your deleted messages, you need to download another application. Now let us get started. So first of all, you need to head towards your Play Store, and right on top there is a search bar. So now you need to enter the name of a application. So the name of an application is Notisave. So now as the application's information loads, so now on this particular page, on the right hand side corner, right on top there, you can see install. So in order to download it, you have to tap on install. So now as soon as the application gets installed, so tap on open, which is right in the corner on the right hand side. So now on the other page, you will land inside the application information. So down there you have a certain rules and regulation or a privacy policy. So now in order to continue, you'll have to tap on next, which is right in the bottom. So once again, there is another terms and policy. So now do the same process, that is tap on next, otherwise you'll not be able to continue with this app. So now there is no other option, so you'll have to tap on allow, which is on the bottom. So once again, there is no other option, so you'll have to tap on next, which is right in the bottom. So on the other page, you can see there is notification access, and right on top there you can see Notisave. So in order to continue, you have to tap on the application. As soon as you tap on the application, down there you can see allow notification access. So in order to turn it on, you'll have to do is tap on the button, which is right in the corner on the right side. Now once again, there is another confirmation, so you'll have to tap on allow, otherwise you'll not be able to continue with this app. So next, as you have allowed notification access, so now go back, just tap on the arrow icon, which is right on top on the left side. So now do the same process, that is tap on the arrow which is on the left side. So now next you have another pop-up window. So from here you need to allow or deny, so that depends on you. So for now I'll go with allow. So now on the next page, once again there is another confirmation. So there is no other option, so you'll have to tap on next, which is right in the bottom. So next you have block notification. Now on this particular page you have to scroll down to the bottom, and right in the bottom you have WhatsApp. So now you have to turn it on. So in order to do that, all you have to do is tap on the button, and now as you can see, this button has been turned on. So now once again do the same process, that is go back. Now in order to go back, you have to tap on the arrow icon, which is on the left hand side corner right on top. So next you'll land inside another page. So on this particular page, move towards the right hand side corner, and right in the bottom there you can see a circle icon with a tick on it, so just tap on it. So now the Notisave app has been set up. So now I'll show you by giving an example. And here as you can see that I've received a message, so in order to open, just tap on it, and down there as you can see, this message was deleted. Now in order to read this following message, what you have to do is go back, and now the most important part is the application that we had recently downloaded. So tap on the Notisave app. As you can see that as soon as I tap on the Notisave app, right on top, right in the first page, there you can see my message. So right on top there you can see that this message was deleted, but still I am able to read it. Now down there, these are the messages that was deleted by the sender. So this is how you can recover or restore your deleted message on WhatsApp application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.